Hello guys, welcome back to Finstock. My name is Patrick. Remember we did a video about softwares that you can use to edit, but we didn't give you guys explanation or a detailed explanation on how you can use this software. And we happen to mention Premiere Pro. So today I'm going to be sharing the skills of how you can add a basic text in Premiere Pro. So make sure you follow along because I'm going to be sharing my screen so that you guys can see everything I'm doing right here. But we are going to start from the basics. So the first thing we are going to do is show you guys how you can use Premiere Pro to add a title to your video so that your viewers can know what the name of the video is. And I'm going to be sharing the screen right away. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. So the first thing you have to do is to open Premiere Pro right here and come here to File at your top left corner. I'm using the 2019 version of Adobe Premiere Pro, so it's going to be easy for you. So click on File, then New. You can see New is just right there. So click on New, then click on Legacy Title. Okay, so File, New, then Legacy Title. Here you're just gonna click OK, and then you're just gonna give your video a title. Let's say you are teaching guys how to do a backflip. So you're just gonna come here and type you're just gonna type how to do a backflip. Okay, how to do a backflip. And then we have, you don't want just your title to look so basic, so you can come right here. We have tools right here and styles, actions, and properties. Okay, so you can just come here and click styles. So there is a variety of style that you can use right here to give your title a quality and a good looking font. So let's go with this one. So because maybe it's a YouTube video, so you need some font that is quite big. For the color, you can come right here and click on properties. Okay, so here you can change the color of your text. Like let's say we want it to be red, so just come here, move this circle right here, and then you can see right here is changing color. If I move, changes color. Let's say I want a color yellow. I just come here and then you can see it's changing. So this one gives right here, it gives you the color that you want, and then you can select, do I want this color? I don't like it, I like it. So if you like it, just click on it. We just go, let's go with red, or let's go with red or maybe yellow or something. Yeah, but let's do red. Let's just click here and do red, then just click OK, and then now you can see that your text is now in red. Then you just close this panel, like nothing is going to happen. When I was starting to edit with Premiere Pro, I was like, if I just click here, I haven't saved the file anyway, it's just gonna disappear. No. So when you cancel that, see now it appears right here in your project panel. We call this project panel, and then we have the source panel right here. So this is where you drag your clip, and then you can maybe add the little adjustment that you need. And we have our timeline right here, and then we have our program sequence right there. So let's drag this. You can drag this right here, and then if you are not satisfied with something, maybe a little detail, you can add here. And then here is where here is the point that you mark in and out. Okay, so what does in and out mean? In and out means where do you want your text to start and where do you want your text to end, because it's, for example, this a title, you don't want a title to run for the whole video because it's just explaining what the video is about. So if let's say your video is a minute long, you can't have a title that is a minute long. So you're just gonna play, then you just click in. Okay, in your keyboard, just click in, and you can see it marks in right there, and then just play, and then maybe you can click out right. So when you drag this into the timeline, okay, so you just grab and drag right here, so you can see it comes right here in the timeline. So the in and out part is the only part that is going to be brought to the timeline for further editing. The other part here, this now is useless. You don't need this. We just need from here to here. This in this out. This is where we marked our in and out. So you just added a title, okay? So you can see, maybe then you can, let's try to import a video. So to import, you just click Control I, and then you get to select any video. Let's just click a random video like this, and then let's drag it right here. I'm going to be showing you guys these tips, so just follow along. So now drag this title, you can bring it right here, and then drag your video up to there. Okay, so now you see you have your title. Just play it, and then the video starts. Yeah, super cool. Yes guys, thank you very much for watching. That is how you can add a basic text in Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to be doing a lot more advanced video in the future, so make sure you stay tuned. If you would like to learn more into details about editing and software in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can enroll for a course at Finstock University College, where they have online courses that teach you these skills, and they have experts that are very good at editing and all these software. So make sure you visit their website. The website is www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can email them at info@finstockuniversity.com. You can also call their customer care number at 0703 313 722. So make sure at the end of the video, guys, you like, share, comment, subscribe, show some love, hit on the notification button, so that every time we upload a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. So guys, until next time.